Hi there, my name is Griffin and I'm with Torch Prep. And today what I want to tackle is every spring you have to give the junior ACT test to all your students. And this can be a stressful day. You know, you have your freshmen, sophomore, seniors running around the school, you're trying to keep them quiet, you're trying to make sure you have teachers that can proctor everything. And it can be really hard. It can be stressful on you, on your staff, on your students. And really the question becomes, how do we take this seemingly wasted instructional day and turn it into a value add for every single one of your students? Well, the good news is we have found a way to do this. We've actually found a way to take that test day with all your juniors and provide longitudinal data for your freshmen, your sophomores, and your juniors. And even having something for your seniors that gives them an amazing day. And the best part is it's not going to cost you a lot of money. It's incredibly cost effective, and what you get from it is absolutely incredible. So if you want to hear more about how we are maximizing that instructional day and turning it into a positive for every single student, just reach out to me. I'm happy to let you know how tons of schools are maximizing that day, making it better for everyone, and in the end, creating a positive ACT culture at your school. I look forward to hearing from you.